Good afternoon, children. In the previous class, we completed factors and multiple worksheet 6. First third main. In third main, first 3 sums we solved. Now, we are going to continue the same main from fourth sum. Find the LCM by common division method. 3 sums I already used solved. So, you know that how to do it. But 8 sums are there. So, I want to solve it more. We find LCM. What are the numbers are here? 16, 48, 64. All these 3 numbers are even numbers. So I will take 2. In 16, how many 2's are there? 8 2's are 16. In 4, 2 2's are 4. In 4, 4 2's are 8. Here, 3 2's are 6, 2 2's are 4. Again, I can take 2. 2 4's are 8. 12 4's are 24, 16 2's are 32. Now again we can take 2. 2 2's are 4, 6 2's are 12, 8 2's are 16. Again I will take 2. 2 1's are 2, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8. Again I will take 2. 1, 3 cannot be divided, we will take as it is 2. Again I will take 2, 1, 3 take it as it is 1. Now the last number is I will take 2, then we will get all the 3 numbers, remainder is 1. So therefore LCM of 16, 48 and 64 is, now we will write all the number 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here how many times 2 is repeated? 6 times into 3. Now 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. Here 2 2's are 4 into 3. Now we will multiply these 2. 6 4's are 24, remainder 2, 4 1's are 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now multiply into 3. 3 4's are 12, remainder 1. 6 3's are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 192. Here this number six fours are 24, 64 into 3. Here 3 fours are 12, 6 3's are 18 plus 1 19. Therefore LCM of 16, 48 and 64 is 192. Now the next sum 35, 49, 91. 35, 49, 91. Can we divide by 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. So I'll take all the numbers can be divided by 7. I'll take 7. 7 5's are 35. 7 7's are 49. Now in 9 there is only 1 7, remainder 2, 21, 3 7's are 21. All these 3 numbers are prime numbers. So we cannot get any common divisor. So I will take first 5 into 7 into 13. Now I will take 7. Here 7 1's are 7, bring 13 as it is. Now 13. 1 comma 1 comma 1, 13 ones are 13. Therefore LCM of 35, 49 and 91 is 7 into 5 into 7 into 13. 7 5's are 35. Now we will multiply 7 into 35. 7 5's are 35. Remainder 3. 3 7's are 21 plus 3. 24 into 13. I will do it here. 45 into 13. 5 3's are 15. Remainder 1. 4 3's are 12. 12 plus 1. 13. Remainder 1. 2 3's are 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 1's over. So 10. 5 4 2. 5, 8, 7 plus 4, 11, remainder 1. So if we multiply 245 and 13, we'll get 3185 is the LCM. Therefore, LCM of 35, 49 and 91 is 3185. Now we'll move to the third sum. We find the LCM 20, 25, 30. All these three numbers is divisible by 5. So we'll take 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Out of these three numbers, two numbers can be divided by 2. So I'll take 2, 2 2s are 4, bring 5 as it is, 3 2s are 6. Now you see 2, 5, 3 all the prime numbers only. So we cannot get any common divisor. So we have to divide one by one with the help of these numbers only. I'll take 5 now, 1, 3. Now I take 3, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is, what is that? 5 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 5 2s are 10. Here 5 2s are 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 3 will get 300 as the LCM. Therefore, LCM of 20, 25, 30 is 300. Now, we are going to solve the fourth sum. Find the least number which, when divided by 40, 50 and 60, leaves remainder 5 in each case. Now what they ask children, find the least number which, when divided by 40, 50 and 60, leaves remainder 5 in each case. The required number 5 to be added with LCM. Now we'll find out the LCM by common division method. 40, 50, 60. Now I take 5. 5 is a prime number. 8 5s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 12 5s are 60. Now take 2 because all the three numbers can divided by 2. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Again I take 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 cannot divide it, so bring as it is. 3 2s are 6. Now 2, 5, 3 all are prime number. We'll take one by one and bring it to 1 remainder. 2 1s are 2, 5, 3. Now 5, 1, 1, 3. Now I'll take 3. Now we got 1 as the remainder for all the numbers. Now, therefore, LCM of 40, 50 and 60. What are that? 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are 50. Now 10 4s are 40. 40 into 50. Here 0 is there. We put 0. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 2. 4 2s are 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. So what is the LCM? LCM is 600. Now they are asking 5 should be the remainder in each case. Now we have to add 5 with LCM. So 600 plus 5, 605 is the number that should divide with remainder 5. Now shall we check? 605 divided by 40. 140 is 40. Remainder, bring the 5. 5 fours are 20. 0. 5 fours are 20. You got remainder 5. Isn't it? No. Now, 605. What is the next number we should use to divide 50? 6, 5. 5 ones are 5, 50. 50 ones are 50. 0, 1. Bring the 5. 2. 2, 0, 0. 2 5s are 10. Now, here also 5 is the remainder. Here next 605 should be divided by 60. 60 ones are 60. Here 5 is there, so 10 times it will go 600. Remainder 5. What they asked, find the least number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves remainder 5. You see, in all cases we are getting remainder 5. After LCM, you have to add the 5 with the LCM. Then you will get, in all the cases, 5 as a remainder. Now, we are going to solve the next word problem. That is fifth sum. 3 Haryana road-based buses stop after 50, 100 and 25 kilometers respectively. If they leave together, then after how many kilometers will they stop together? For this, the buses, all the 3 buses leaving together, but each bus have stop after 50, 100 and 125 kilometers. After how many kilometers, again all the 3 together will stop, they are asking. So what we have to do? We have to find the LCM. Then only we come to know after how many kilometers these 3 buses can stop together. Now we will find the LCM for 50, 100 and 125. We find the LCM. Now I will take 5. 5 ones are 5, 0. 2 5s are 10, that is 5. 25s are 100. Here 2 5s are 10, remainder 225, 5 5s are 25. Now again I will take 5 because all the 3 numbers can be divisible by 5. 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Now I will take 2 because 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, bring 5 as it is. Now 2, 1, 1, 5. Now we will take the 5 as a divisor. We will get all the 3. 1 is the remainder. So therefore LCM of 50, 100 and 125 is 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Here 2 2s are 4 into 5. 25 4s are 100. 100 into 5, 500. So what is considered this 500? 500 kilometers. Now what they ask, if they live together, then after how many kilometers will they stop together? Therefore, all 3 buses will stop together after 500 kilometers. Understand, children? So the LCM also 500. After 500 kilometers only all the 3 buses will stop together. Now we will move to the 6th sum. 4 bells tolled at intervals of 8, 9, 12 and 15 minutes respectively. The bells are ringing. 4 bells are ringing at different intervals. What is the interval time? 8, 9, 12 and 15 minutes. If they toll together at 3 p.m. all the bells, first bell it's ringing at 3 p.m. when will they toll together next time? After how many minutes the 4 bells can ring at a time? We have to find out. Now we'll find out the LCM, because after, if we find the LCM only, we come to know after how many hours it will ring together. Now first we'll find the LCM. We find LCM of 8, 9, 12 and 15. Now find the LCM 8, 9, 12, 15. Now I'll take 3, because maximum 3 numbers can divide by 3. 8 bring as it is, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now I'll take 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 bring as it is, 2 2s are 4, 5. Now again I'll take 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 bring as it is, 2 1s are 2, 5 bring as it is. Now again I'll take 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 bring as it is, because it's not divisible, 5 also we bring as it is. Now I'll take 3, 1 3 is 3, 1, 5. Now we'll take 5 to divide, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we got 1 as a remainder. Therefore, LCM of 8, 9, 12 and 15 is, now 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Isn't it? Yes. Now we will multiply. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 into 15. I'll do it here for your understanding. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 1's place over, 4, 2 1s are 2. 360. Now, listen children. We got 360 is the LCM. This is 360 minutes. For 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So, 360 minutes is equal to 360 divided by 60. 0, 0, 6, 6 are 36. So, it is equal to 6 hours. What they are asking, if they toll together at 3 p.m. when they toll together next time. Now, after 6 hours, that means 6 hours plus 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. Isn't it? No. So, 6 plus 3, what time you will get? 9 p.m. So, they will toll together at 9 p.m. They toll together at 9 p.m. After 6 hours, it will become 9 p.m. So, all the bells toll together at 9 p.m. Dear children, please copy down all the sums in your CW. Whatever homework sums I given, you do it in your homework book.